children.
Hello, dear children. Today I'm going to tell you about asynchronous programming. That is a big word, but do not worry. I will make it easy to understand. In the world of computers, some tasks can take a long time, like waiting for a response from the internet or saving a file. If we waited for each of these tasks to finish, everything else would have to stop. But we want everything to run smoothly without any pauses. That is why programmers came up with a way for some tasks to happen in the background without stopping the rest. That is what asynchronous programming is all about. Come with me, and I will show you how the animals tried to figure it out. By the mechanical pond, Frog and Kitten met up. Frog was saying that her weather application stops working whenever it tries to get data from the internet. Kitten thought that was totally normal. Maybe the application just needs to stop breathing for a moment. Frog laughed and added that maybe the computer needs to take a nap to gather all the data and then wake up and work again. I explained to them that it is not about heads or naps, but about finding a way for one device to do many things in turns. Asynchronous programming lets one program start a long task, but it does not stop the others. That way, everything keeps running smoothly and the user does not have to wait. At the playground, Ladybug and Puppy were having fun. Ladybug said she made a website where pictures load in the background so people can keep reading even if the picture has not shown up yet. Puppy was proud that he made a to-do list application that saves new tasks to the cloud, but does not block the user, who can add more tasks right away. I explained that this is exactly the point. A program can do one thing while also getting something else ready. This way, users do not have to wait for every step. The program reacts right away, even when something is happening behind the scenes. On the meadow, Bee and Rat were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about asynchronous programming. Bee said that in her projects, she always plans tasks that can be done independently. It is like in programming, when functions wait for data but do not block the whole application. Rat added that he often analyzes data from many sources at once and uses code that works asynchronously, so everything happens side by side without delays. I praised them for their good answers. Asynchronous programming lets programs work faster and more smoothly. Let us sum up what we learned today, children. Asynchronous programming is a way for programs to work quickly and smoothly, even when some tasks take a long time. Instead of waiting for everything to finish, the program does other things and comes back to those tasks when they are ready. Thanks to this, users do not have to wait for things to load because the program responds right away. I am saying goodbye for now and see you next time.